Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a network engineer. First, understand the core responsibilities of this vital role. Network engineers are the architects behind our digital connections, designing, implementing, and managing the complex systems that allow data to flow seamlessly. They are crucial for maintaining network security and ensuring everything runs efficiently. This career path demands a blend of technical expertise and sharp analytical skills to troubleshoot and innovate. To begin, a strong educational foundation is key. Many successful network engineers hold a bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, or a related field. Beyond academics, industry certifications are incredibly important. Credentials such as the Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA, demonstrate practical skills and are widely recognized. Pursuing more advanced or specialized certifications can further enhance your expertise and open doors to specific roles. Practical experience is invaluable for aspiring network engineers. Consider starting in entry-level IT support or help desk positions, as these roles provide foundational knowledge of IT systems and user issues. Internships are also an excellent way to gain hands-on experience with real-world network environments. Furthermore, setting up a home lab allows you to experiment with different network configurations and technologies in a low-risk setting, building crucial skills independently. The field of network engineering is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential for career growth. Stay updated on emerging technologies, security threats, and best practices. Building a professional network by connecting with other engineers and industry experts can also lead to new opportunities and insights. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. With dedication, you can achieve a rewarding and dynamic career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.